Hi,
Hello.
Philippine Joke Rap.
Mag-iito tayo sa Pilipinas. Geography.
Philippines has a great history according to our geography.
Manila's the capital city. Dating friends from the other country.
Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Sapote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque.
From the north, Batanes. Apare, Ilocos or Locos Norte.
Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya,
Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga. Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite,
Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camay, Rizal, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, and we have 3 islands more, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, then down the Visayan shore, Pimos, Corpus, Sugar, Coconut and Corn. Ay, 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 Cebu, Mactan, Mandawi. Ay, 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 ay,
Bohol, Samarlete.
ay, 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 Iloilo, Capisaklan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete.
Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao, Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambaho, Butuan, Agusan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Eligano,
Provinces of
Samis,
Davao, Davao, Soril, Taril Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi. Ay, 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 Philippines has a great history. Ay, 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 Manila is the capital city. Ay, 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 all tourists are invited to see. According to our geography, Philippines is a beautiful country.